Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It's right down there. So today on nattsfood, we're going to be making maklube. It's an easy Turkish comfort food. As you all know, the theme on nattsfood this month is Turkish cuisine, just like we had plantains for January. So hopefully I'm going to post at least 4 recipes and also some other things. So I'm going to have like 5 to 6 videos by God's grace if everything goes well. And yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe. The subscribe button is just one click you do right now, just bam, and that's all. Thank you all. And so let's get to the video. So we're going to start off by frying the potatoes. That's going to be the bottom layer of our maklube. So it's just normal frying. You can add some salt to it. The meat, we are going to fry some onions in a pan with few drops of oil. You can use beef, chicken, minced meat or minced chicken. It depends on you, it's your choice. So you keep on adding to your satisfaction. We're going to add in some seasoning cubes. Make sure you add enough. Then we add in some cumin, ground cumin, just a few teaspoons, depending on you how you want it. Make sure you don't put too much, if not to overpower your dish. Stir in very well. Next we add in some hot water into the dish and make sure you stir it well. Cover the dish and allow it to simmer for some minutes. Boiling, that means when there are bubbles on the cover, you open it and remove all the beef cubes, because we're going to use the stock for our dish. That's what we're going to use to boil the rice later on. So you remove all the beef cubes, and also if you have burnt onions, you can remove them so that we can have a clear stock. Adding some cardamom seeds, fennel seeds, and also about 2 cups of hot water so that we can have enough stock for our dish. Then we add some curry powder. God, the smell of this, the whole kitchen is smelling so nice. You know, the fennel, the cardamom, all of that. We're going to add some seasoning cube to give it more taste and also stir it in. Then you cover it and allow it to boil and keep it aside. We have our potatoes, our parboiled rice, and also the beef getting ready to be assembled. So to assemble our dish, we're going to start off by putting a layer of the potatoes all around the pot, making sure it's all layered and flat. Next we're going to put a layer of the beef. You can put all the beef cubes. If you want, you can cut some vegetables and add, and instead of your potatoes you can always use eggplant. And mind you, there is a high chance that your potatoes will stick to the pot, so fingers crossed. Next I'll add a layer of the potatoes. You can use anything you want. You can just add a layer of eggplant or vegetables. Like I said, it all depends on you. You can just layer up anything. next thing, we pour over the rice and make sure everything is leveled, as in make sure everything is leveled, make sure the rice is flat. As you can see, I'm trying to press in, but don't over press it, just level it. Get a small cup or small bowl and put in the center of the rice. This is to protect your rice when pouring over the stock. So this is our end result after pouring over the stock. The small cup gently. The next thing is to cover it and put it on a low heat. Make sure that your heat is low so that it doesn't overboil and it doesn't make the layering messy. So this is our end result when there is no water and your rice is perfectly cooked. So we're going to turn over the rice. God, fingers crossed. I hope this looks perfect. It was really tough doing this because obviously the pot was very hot and I had to let it cool for about 3 minutes, then turned it over and removed the pot. Ooh. Don't forget to check out my previous posts and also check out my blog. The link will be in the description box down below. And like, comment, subscribe, and also share. Thank you.